won't let my bottle fall.
I didn't know there was a song that went along with that.
That's pretty good.
Now, can you get back in the chair and go back to sleep? That's the question.
Hang on.
All right, catch.
Catch what?
We need to see
I think he needs to work on the trick of
I'm going to tell him what he missed.
having it slip in and to his.
Well, this is in high def. We're going to put this on YouTube, I think.
Why?
America's Got
Just because people would, yeah, we can get David Hasselhoff involved, and I mean Howard Stern, actually.
In that case, it's got to be something more impressive.
No, this is impressive. Can you do tech support while you do that? That's
No, I don't think I can.
Oh my god. I woke up this morning, I didn't think I'd see something like that.
I think the particular bug that we have here.
He's not there.
I know.
Do the catwalk.
What's up?
Yes.
You're not going to see it.
They're all prairie dogging.
Yeah, of course.
Why is this happening?
Dun 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 dun. You guys have Nerf guns and no one's even trying. Dun 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 dun. It's like, yeah, I mean. It'll be on YouTube. 1 million hits. You'll get royalties.